Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. There are many benefits to journaling, but writing about something that you're grateful for is always on the top of the list. Studies have shown this simple habit can improve your sleep, increase happiness, and even reduce symptoms of illness. For example, if you write in the journal in the morning, you start the day on a positive and grateful note, especially when you follow a simple gratitude practice like writing down 3 things that you're grateful for. You'll start the day a lot happier. Personally, I like to write about one thing that I'm grateful for about myself, one thing that I'm grateful for that someone else did, and finally, one thing that I can be grateful for that we typically take for granted. Practicing gratitude trains you to actively look and remember moments, people, and experiences during the day that you can be grateful for. Over time, this simple practice will turn you into a happier, more positive person as you become more focused on the positive things in life instead of only the negative. The benefits of practicing gratitude through journaling are seemingly endless. So if you're ready to give journaling a try, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals. I promise you won't regret it. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.